Rejection emails again? You're not alone. Thousands of Nepalese students miss out on scholarships just because of avoidable mistakes in SOPs, letters of recommendation, or their application letters. Let's fix that, once and for all. Stick around as we break down what makes a winning application. Plus, you'll see how Mobeeco makes it 10x easier with tools designed just for you. Let's start with the Statement of Purpose, or SOP. This is your story, not a resume rehash. Common mistakes? Being too vague, copying templates, or just listing achievements without a theme. A strong SOP has a clear structure. Start with a hook, then build your journey, end with your future goals and why this course or country helps you get there. Next up, letters of recommendation. Don't just pick any teacher. Choose someone who knows your potential. Guide them, share your goals, achievements, and course. When writing emails to UNIS or for scholarships, clarity matters. Include your full name, program, student ID if applicable, and be polite but confident. This is Ayush. He missed out once, but after restructuring his SOP and using Mobeeco's consultancy comparison tool, he got a full scholarship to Australia. That could be you. Mobeeco isn't just another app. It connects you to verified consultants, gives access to real student SOP samples, and helps you upload and track your documents, all in one dashboard. Before hitting send, tick these boxes. Every single document speaks about you. Make sure they're saying the right thing. Getting a scholarship can be life-changing, but it takes more than marks. It takes a strong story, confident voice, and a smart strategy. Download Mobeeco for expert help, SOP templates, and verified consultancy support, all in your pocket. Subscribe for more guides and comment below. What part of the application do you find hardest?